Do you guys know the reason you lose money in the market? It's not because you don't know how to trade, but how you place your stop loss. If you are a person of setting stop losses that take profits, so why do you still lose if you are setting the stop loss? This is the reason why you still lose your money even if you set your stop loss. So you don't know the first thing, you don't know how to set your stop loss. That is the obvious reason you still hit your TP, you still hit your stop loss, which is SL. That is one major reason. So how do you set your stop loss? Now this is what I'm going to teach you guys in this video, how to set your stop loss. I'm going to take you through this trade that I'm going to give a tutorial on. Yeah, so kindly stay tuned, watch this video, give it a like, please subscribe to the channel and comment. So let's go in. Here we are having our pair, which is gold. We are seeing it clearly here. We are seeing it clearly. We are seeing these fair value gaps. If you are a person that trades fair value gaps, then this video is going to be helpful to you. Or if you are looking forward to learning this, yeah, so we are seeing this is our area that we are seeing, and I have a reason why I marked this. Yeah, I'm going to explain the reason why I marked this area here around here, why I marked. So I marked this area because we are seeing here, we have seen the market rejected and then broke this zone. So after a break, we are seeing it coming back or retesting to the zone, bounced back up, then it came back, broke, and now we are going back. So this is going to be termed now as a major zone. This is our major zone. We have minor zones and the major zones. So this is going to be termed as a major zone now because of this. It has been resisting, then after resisting, we are seeing it going back up over this zone. Now it came back, it retested. You are clearly seeing this. I hope you are clearly seeing this. You see those. So that is the reason we are terming it a major zone. So for you now to go in, and you are a person of setting stop losses, all that, so you must know where to put your stop loss. In this case here, you must know where to put your stop loss, or else you will be taken out. Let's say you are putting your stop loss here. We have two major problems with setting stop loss. There are some people who either make it small stop loss that can easily be hit. There are those who make the stop loss very big, meaning you have to, the size of the profit now is going to be the size of the stop losses. We have many traders who are doing that on YouTube here. Yeah, you are not the first that is doing it, but we have many. These are the scenarios that most traders do. Let's say this is you are taking this trade because this is a major zone, so you put your stop loss here. These are the people that make stop loss very small, and then you enlong this to be, you see now you are targeting 177 pips and you are losing 21 pips, which is going to be hit. Are you seeing this hit here? We are seeing you being taken out before the market makes a move. This is one of the people that do this. Now let's go to the second person, meaning your stop loss here is very small, or the tidy stop loss. So you should avoid setting tidy stop losses in this case. Then we have these people also who do this. Yes, you will know how to set this, your stop loss. Now you are not that greedy, so you will set your stop loss like this. You set your TP like this. Let's say you are targeting that. You see what kind of risk are you showing here? What kind of risk is this? You see what you are doing here? All are the same sizes, even your stop loss is bigger than this. You see you are targeting 85 pips and you are losing 109. Now what does this mean? Obviously it means you don't know your risk in the market, and this is why you lose your money in the market. So you should avoid this. In order for you to avoid this, I can recommend you begin setting your stop loss like this. You just put it below there. You don't need to make it tight, and you don't need to make it very huge. You just target the high, which is this. Yeah, so that can be your target, and it is reasonable here. Now in this case is, yeah, you are trying and you know what you are doing. In this case, if you are setting your stop losses like this, your stop loss is not very tight, and your target is not very huge, you are not very greedy. So this is how you should set your stop losses and take profits. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Comment what you think about it and give it a like, guys. Comment also. See you in the next video. Thank you and peace. Subscribe.